Today it's really hot. We're going to another open house in Northeast LA. I think that is the observatory. Let's see. We zoom in. I think that's it right there. Wow. There's some beautiful views from up here. This open house is listed by Compass. I got permission to film. It's only been on the market for 1 day. So the price is subject to change. Its listing price is $1,499,000. Its location is 2740 Chadwick Circle, El Sereno, Los Angeles, California 90032. This home was built in 2025 and it has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, with 2,010 square feet of living space. The lot size is 5,481 square feet, and as you saw, the parking garage, so there's room for 2 cars. So this home is beautiful, it's staged, and it's priced to sell. And I will leave the link in the description of today's video if you need more information on a payment calculator, if you need information on comparable similar homes that have sold or that are active nearby. And it also, in the link, it will have other information about the property, like schools nearby. So there's a junior high school right down the street. So this home is just walking distance to Eastern Avenue and Huntington Drive, Valley Boulevard, so you're close to Ascot Hills and more. So I'm just gonna let the video play. It's a beautiful home listed by Compass. I got permission to film by the listing agent, and if you need more help on finding out information on this homes or other homes like it in the same area, Northeast Los Angeles, you can always message me. My name is Victoria Munoz. I'm with Compass of Pasadena. need help buying or selling real estate in LA County, my name is Victoria Munoz, Compass of Pasadena real estate agent.